but lazy. He is fast but lazy. Then eat breakfast, then drink tea. Eat breakfast, then drink tea. For example, she likes cakes, for example, chocolate cake. She likes cakes, for example, chocolate cake. Anne. I have apples and oranges. I have apples and oranges. Because he sleeps because he's tired. He sleeps because he's tired. But she plays tennis, but not football. She plays tennis, but not football. So it's cold, so wear a coat. It's cold, so wear a coat. Or, do you like tea or coffee? Do you like tea or coffee? Anne. She is kind and funny. She is kind and funny. But I like pizza but not pasta. I like pizza but not pasta. For example, we travel, for example, to London. We travel, for example, to London. So she is hungry, so she eats. She is hungry, so she eats.